You're recording.
You gonna fork on me?
Or whatever.
I'll hop over.
Yay!
He's totally gonna get it. And he's got it!
Oh! How do I zoom out here?
I think I just pulled my whole body. Oh, my stomach.
Oh no. You look wretched right now. You just look wretched. Do you want me to come pick you up?
Can we talk about where my feet ended up? Ow.
Can I talk about where your face ended up?
I think I pulled a lot.
Does that make you a little nervous up there, Jules?
Oh,
Again.
Oh.
I think Leah's still filming.